Alright, welcome back to episode 4 of Sanctum 2. Let's get into this. Alright, last time we unlocked a couple of buffs, it looks like. So, I'm kind of curious where we put those in on. Alright. So let's pick our guy.
Sure thing.
Oh, okay, there we go. Nice. So, level 8 and 12. Let's see if we get any other weapons. I guess at level 5. Alright, so, hollow point is every 3 hits deal 100% of weapon damage. As bonus damage, which is nice. Lightning bounce. Let's go with this definitely. Okay, let's jump in.
Right, focus this time.
Where am I? Okay, there I am. Okay. Oh shit. Alright, well I'm pretty sure there's gonna be 3 different spawn points. So, let's see if we can somehow get them all to enter in the same spot. That's, ooh, I was gonna say that's gonna take a lot of walls, but it looks like we have a lot of walls. So, let's try this.
Perfect.
Really hope we get enough walls in order for this to happen.
This will work nicely.
And hopefully they start spawning clockwise. That'd be a nice perk. Hopefully we can get them all to come in. Those first 2 we can definitely get to come in at the top. To the left and the top one. Kind of curious about the bottom one. All right, let's. Sure, why not? Let's start here. And yeah, why not? Let's try to upgrade that as much as possible.
Oh, incoming.
Oh shoot.
Lies.
Nice. Not even using the towers for a bit. And they're all done. Okay. Oop.
We made it.
Alright. Ooh, nice, another 10. Okay. Ah, shit. Alright, it looks like I'm not gonna be that lucky. Huh, okay. Let's do it this way then.
Perfect. This will work nicely.
Nice. Land right on top. Alright, then we can. How much do we have? 250. It's gonna cost 140. Good. Jeez. Let me kill myself a little bit faster. Oh, okay, yeah, let's finish upgrading this. Just so I don't have to worry about that side too much. Yeah, let's upgrade that as much as possible. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to get all of them. That one I'm probably not going to have to worry about too much. Assuming I get all this to fall into place. Alright, yeah, let's just get this started. Hopefully, see what I'm trying to do on the next level. Oh, a bunch of little guys. Nice. Boom, boom, ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Oh shit. Oh shit. And threw up on me. Awesome. And threw up on me. Nice.
All clear for now.
Alright, now they're only coming in at the top. That'll be hopefully easy to fix. Nice, this should work.
Perfect.
Hoping. Oh, yeah, that should work. Hopefully all of them at the top will have to run by this one right there. Which, since it's upgraded, that should be helpful. And let's set one here. Yeah, 250. Yeah, let's set this. Yeah, let's set that right there. And I have 100 left. Nice. Okay, so 225 to upgrade that. 190 to upgrade this. Yeah, why not? Get that mostly done. Alrighty.
Incoming.
Blow! It's amusing to me. Okay, go. Nice, they haven't even gotten to the first tower yet. And they're just punching this. Holy shit. Oh shit. Alright. This is 5 of 6 down at the bottom.
Nice.
Alright. Oh shit. Okay, now they're all here. And I have 7 left, and I have 1 minute to place them. Alright, this should work. Take you out. And sit you there. Alright, now they're all funneling through one point. Alright, this will be nice. Okay, nice! I'm only halfway through. This will be perfect. Okay, so let's set you... Let's set you over here, actually. Let's set you here. Yeah, that'll be good. Try to do this, hopefully. Alright, let's get it.
They're on their way.
See how well this plan worked out. I don't have to worry about that. Let's focus on the top. What the hell is this? Ah! No! Wow, okay, there's like a bunch of little tiny brain crawler things. Okay. I'm keeping them here though, at least. Brain mana ray things.
There we and I die.
Shit. Oh shit. I thought you were dead.
All clear for now.
Alrighty. Can I upgrade this anymore? I don't think so. Yeah, it's maxed out. Alright, that's not bad. Okay, let's... 2 270. I'm gonna level this up. Perfect. And 70. Yeah, might as well get that as much as I can, and then finish up sending this maze up.
Perfect.
Alright, so now they have to come this way. Now
This will work nicely.
they have to run past this turret again. Alright, perfect.
Moves incoming.
Let's say boss incoming? Ooh, that's... Assuming it's back. Oh, wow, it's taking like barely any damage. Assuming it's back because it's weak point. Shoot him in the butt! Oh, all the little guys rip through them. Ah, shit! This is a nice little funnel, actually. Jeez, if I can hit him. Nice. Let's see another boss up here. Shoot him in the butt! He's got a flux capacitor on his butt. That's an interesting new guy. Damn, they're getting really far through here, though. Okay, 250. Ah, I forgot what I upgraded last time. It's mostly... Okay, let's get that up. I should have set another shock. Urgh. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Okay, 10 of those little tanks, 12 little tanks, and a brain. Oh, shit. 40 of the little guys. Okay, yeah, let's finish this. Nice. Alright, let's chill over here.
They're on their way.
Shit. Yeah, achievement. Come at me, bro. Okay, yeah, I'll hang out over here. That way I can just turn around and pick any other guys who come into the middle.
And it's dead.
Alright, here comes the reinforcements through the middle. Sure. Ooh, runners. Ah, brain. Shit. Forgot about that. Oh, shit. This is not looking that great. Yeah. Ah, okay, never mind. Nice, should be the last guy. Click.
All clear for now.
Alright, 8 little tanks and a brain. 8 little tanks and 2 big tanks. And 40 little guys and 2 new thingies. Okay, let's definitely set this up. Yeah, let's set you up right there.
Perfect.
How much do we need? shit. Okay, this is wave 7. Let's get another cannon in here. Shoot. Yeah, let's get another cannon in here. Alright, let's go ahead and start.
Loads incoming.
What did it say? Big box. Oh, that's what those were? And I'm getting hit. Ah, shit, this is gonna be tough. I can't get down there from all those stupid little guys. Ah, right. If I only had a brain. Ooh. Ah! Right, jump behind this guy. Quick. You stop that. Ah, get over the damn wall. Nice.
Nice.
That's what I just said. I don't know what that is. It might be the big thing, but I thought they looked different. Okay. This wave doesn't look too bad. So 265. What can I upgrade? Ah. Okay, 170. No, that doesn't seem very important. Maybe. Yeah, I'll do this. Okay. And then. Shoot. Let's set you to. How do I set you? Ah, not that button. Ah, B. Okay, let's set you to least health. So hopefully you can pick off all those little guys. Which none are gonna come here. Ah, whatever. That should work still. Alright, 15, 20. It doesn't look like there's gonna be any little guys, really.
They're on their way.
Let's try to clear this up. Awesome. Oh shit, okay, there it is. Oh shit. What? What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Well, that's new. Stop doing that. No. Stop doing that, please. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Shit. Okay. Hopefully the little guys get killed. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. Apparently it jumped in the air and just fucking murdered me. Ah, get out of the way then. Holy shit! When it jumped, it took off. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Alright, you die now. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh wow, that was cool. That was a big boss. I was not expecting that.
Awesome.
That was really cool.
Already.
Shit, how do you defend against that? Alright. Unlocked AR mine dispenser. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. And a battle rifle, nice. Oh, that'll be really good as a secondary. Heals the core for 10% of its max health after each wave. Oh, nice. If they like get all the way to the core, I assume. Deals 2,000 damage to any enemy hitting the core. Wow. Oh, okay. I figured it was like most tower defense games, to where when they get to the core, it's just okay. The core has 20 health, so every like if 20 bad guys get to it, then you lose. But apparently, it's got a health meter. Huh. That's interesting. Anything else? Tower slots allow you to equip an extra tower. Could be good. Assuming I get another tower. All right. Cool. That one was a little interesting, especially the new boss at the end. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you all next time.